In this video, I'm going to show you guys the best heat gun for selling on Amazon FBA. Especially if you do retail arbitrage. When you need to take those stickers off when you go to Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx, this heat gun is going to be the best one you could buy. The link to this is in the description. It'll take you straight to Amazon. I recently bought another one because after using the other one for a year and a half, I burned it out from using it too much in one day. So this heat gun is very popular with thousands of reviews on Amazon. Not to mention its 5-star rating. And in the box, it comes with the actual heat gun and then some paper, looks like the manual. This heat gun looks something like this. After buying a new one and owning my last one for about 2 years, I'm going to tell you the best and worst things about this heat gun. This heat gun has 2 settings, low and high. The temperature of the low setting is 450 degrees Fahrenheit and the high setting 680 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to jump into the main reasons why I think this is actually the best heat gun. One, it is very lightweight. With other heat guns that I've tried before being big and heavy, this is nice, small, and not very heavy at all. And with the nice handle, it's a nice big handle, you can hold onto it comfortably with the buttons being right where your thumb is. And now let me pop up its stand. As you can see, he has 2 little legs right there, which help him stand up. You can kind of see it, but it just sits on the table like this. And because of its design, you can also hold it like a little pencil, just like this. If you need to heat up anything this way. This is actually pretty comfortable if you need to heat up labels and stuff. Holding it like a pencil could be a great option. But now let me jump into some of the cons. In my time of using this heat gun, I have burned myself. One being the more recent when I burned my finger. It's still there, the mark. And it is because of this metal rim. That metal rim right there. If you touch it while it's going, then you're burnt. Whatever, like your finger's gonna burn. So you want to make sure you do not touch this metal part at all. Maybe that's something they can improve on if they make another one of these things. Maybe make a cover so then if you were to accidentally touch it, it doesn't really hurt. Or it doesn't hurt as bad. Another con is my last one. It burned out. I think it's because I used it too much in one day. I don't know if that's the reason why it broke. It's kind of disappointing because I had to go buy another one. But luckily it's not very expensive. But I just plugged it in and now. Another con could be that it's a little loud, but I feel like all heat guns are loud, so I don't really think that's a deciding factor. This was the review of the Wagner HT400 heat gun. Available in the description down below.